Hey Diva Dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back with a brand new glasses try on haul video. And of course I did partner with ZEELOOL. I worked with them so many times in the past and I'm gonna keep bringing you these videos. You guys love these videos. I am super excited to share with you what styles I picked up and tell you all about the Black Friday deals. So if you want to see what it is that I picked out, stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna jump right in. I love this pair. This pair to me screams fashionista, honey. Like, I'm all the way here for these glasses because y'all know I love a cat eye. I absolutely love the color. It has like toned colors as far as like a purple slash mauve, and it has a tortoise color in there, so it's really pretty. They're oversized. So if you want to make that statement look, you can definitely do that with these. I'm going to just tell y'all right now, I have a whole lot of statement eyewear today. So these ones are all about being seen, being noticed, and they are really cute. And again, Black Friday deals. So you're going to save some coins when you shop. So I just want you to see the turquoise that these have. I hope it's picking it up for you. And they also have the brown tortoise color, and then they have that pretty lilac purple. So I wouldn't have thought to put all these colors together, but it just works. Next up, we have oversized glasses again, bold statement piece again. However, this is a Taurus color, but it's really in a shade of blue. So you have the light blue, then you have the dark blue. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on so that you can see what they look like. There we go. So yes, I absolutely love this pair because again, it's going to be something you notice from across the room. I love the way it looks on the side. All of the arms to these glasses are really wide. So these are what I call statement glasses. These ones are chunky, they are large, they are in charge, and they will get you compliments. Okay, so let's just get closer. It's a shimmer. I like these glasses because they give you this sparkle and it's really faint. So it's not doing too much when it's on your face. But when you look at it, like, I'm a person who pays attention to detail. I think my glasses are accessories. And for me, I like these little hints of character. So as you can see, it's marbled, but it's also having some of that blue, like teal shimmer sparkles. Don't think just because they're blue that they're not feminine. These ones are ultra feminine and really cute, and they have some really subtle pizzazz. Next up, we have these glasses that are so fashionable, y'all. These are my favorite glasses so far of the entire haul. Check these glasses out. They are screaming different. They are screaming unique. These are truly one of a kind, being that they have this shape. This is more like a hexagon, I guess you would say. I feel like it has 6 sides. I don't know. You don't have to count. But these are kind of giving me that whole tortoise look, but it kind of reminds me of like a cow. Have you guys seen that brown cow print? They're really on trend right now, but I think these are super freaking fashionable. I love that they're oversized. I love that they have this unique shape to the frames in the front. I love that they're thick. I love the color. As you can see, I'm wearing this soft kind of nude brownish color. I think these glasses pick up so well with that. I really do believe that you can use your glasses as a way to express yourself, especially nowadays in the days of COVID. I mean, it's a way that you can really make yourself stand out. You know, we're all wearing masks, and when you have your mask on, they're like here, you know, and you can't see anything. But these glasses show that you care, that you're all about fashion, that you're extra, you're unique. Like, I like for my glasses to speak for me, because if you see me walk in from across the room, check it out now, check it out. You're gonna be like, ooh, she look good, or ooh, those are cute, okay? So all these glasses I have shared with you so far, they are statement pieces, they are bold pieces, and can I tell you the best part? The best part is that they are affordable, y'all. So Now, as you can see, these glasses are doing a whole lot of talking, honey. Again, all these glasses are bold. They're in your face. They are statement makers. I love these because of that Taurus color that you have, so you can wear these when you're wearing brown. I love that they have that splash of color. I have lipstick in this color, so if I wanted to do that, I could have my hair up in a bun. I could have that color like coral lipstick on. And can we just get into this blue? This is such a bright, pretty, bold royal blue, and I think it is gorgeous. Some people would love these depending on if you're in a sorority or if it's your favorite color. I wish this company was around when I was growing up because I didn't have choices like this. Imagine you're a young kid not wanting to wear glasses because they don't think that they'll be cool or they'll look good. Imagine giving them options like this. Like that's just how my mind is thinking. Like, I'm super excited as an adult. I know kids or young adults would be super excited too. So again, I love these glasses because of the oversized shape. They have that kind of idea on the top of the glasses, but then it's kind of more circular towards the bottom. Like it's more like a circle on this part, if you can see. So I really hope this video is helpful for you guys as far as picking out your options and seeing what it looks like. Now, fun fact, ZEELOOL does have a part on their website where you can do a virtual try on. So if you don't know what that is, you can basically use a model picture on there, or you can actually put your own picture on there of your face, and then you can kind of see what it would look like with the glasses on your face. And it looks pretty realistic, okay? So if you saw something like this and you're like, oh my God, I do not know how that would work for me, you can put them on, you can see what it looks like, and from there, hey, you can make your decision. And lastly, I do want y'all to leave comments down below if you shopped ZEELOOL before. Tell us your experience. The biggest complaint that people let me know about with ZEELOOL is that their shipping time can sometimes take forever. It is a pandemic. I believe this company's overseas, so if I were you, I would just expect it to be at least a month out for shipping, okay? But again, the glasses are affordable, so to me, it's a trade-off and it's kind of worth it. So here we are with these ones. Tell me what y'all think. So I wasn't exactly sure. Again, bold glasses. These will look really cute, I would say, with a red lipstick and then also a white collared shirt. I'll probably have my hair up in a bun or maybe back in a low ponytail. I definitely wouldn't do anything. You see this lipstick I have on? I would definitely either go no lipstick or bright lipstick, like red. These earrings I have on, definitely take them off because these glasses are so big and it's such a huge contrast between the top color and the bottom color, okay? The bottom is all the way opaque and the top is kind of see-through and it's like a bright royal blue. So I hope you can get the true color of this. Really, really pretty. Okay, y'all tell me, what do you think of these glasses? Let me know so far which one of these are your favorite, but I do like these. These are extremely out of my comfort level. On the website, whenever I look and check out what options they are, I always go with the wide glasses, or I like to go with the shape of like cat eye. These are like more rectangle cat eye, and I feel like my face being so full that I do better with other styles. So again, I wanted to go outside the box. They're affordable. I wanted to try something new. This has white, cream, and kind of like a taupey clear. Okay, so that's these colors that we're looking at. It gives you that print all the way around. Definitely statement maker. And by the way, a lot of people ask me about my lashes, if these glasses are eyelash approved, because y'all diva dolls like I am, and we wear our lashes, and the answer is yes. So these ones I have on, these are like 18 millimeters from my line, XO Chrissy hair. But long story short, I like to have long lashes, sometimes almost 25 millimeters, okay? Meaning how far out they go. And all of these glasses are makeup approved. They are big lash approved. So if you are a girly girl, you do not have to worry about it. I got you covered. And this one, even being more like a wide frame glasses, it still works for my lashes. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? I tried to pick a pair of glasses that were still bold, but not super bold. So I went ahead and chose a pair of black and white ones. So it looks kind of normal here. You got a little gold detail here, because y'all know, depending on the jewelry that I'm wearing that day, like today I'm wearing gold, I'm gonna make sure my glasses have gold on them. If I'm wearing silver or white gold, I'm gonna make sure my glasses have silver on them. So hardware is important, but these ones are black and white. So I think they're chic, then they have that gold accent. So I think these are really cute. They're in my favorite cat eye, and yeah, let me put them on. Look how feminine and cute I am. These are the most normal out of these bold glasses that I picked this time around, and the reason I think these are more normal is because they are neutral colors in black, white, and gold, and also because of the shape. These are almost like a regular oversized cat eye. They're not too crazy, okay? Now, of course, I wouldn't be Chrissy the doll without having some kind of extraness going on with the pair, so that's where we're coming with the design. So for the design, you have the white towards the top, and then you got the white towards the bottom, and you got the black in the middle, and then also on the sides. The website will allow you to get glasses without lenses. I wear prescriptions, so I definitely can say their prescriptions are pretty accurate. I even have astigmatism in my left eye, and all the frames I have with prescription from ZEELOOL have been right on. I haven't had any issues with my prescription, but again, they do offer a worry-free guarantee. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know which one of these styles were your favorites. Also, I'm gonna put the links to everything that I picked out down below in the box. And of course, I am going to hook up you diva dolls with a coupon code, but I'm telling you, just go to the website. You will see the Black Friday deals have like 40% off for sure. Definitely now is the time to pick something up if you've been eyeing these looks and these styles. They have glasses as low as $7, so you will not be disappointed. Now, if you enjoyed this video, or if you know someone who will like this video, go ahead, stop what you're doing, subscribe to this channel, as well as share this video with your friend. I do have a fitness channel as well as my vlog channel. I'm going to be doing Vlogmas this year, so you don't want to miss that. Go ahead and find those links down below and subscribe to those. And if you don't follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, be sure that you do that. And my name is @Chrissy_the_doll. And thank you, dolls, so much for your love and support. I hope you have a happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving, happy shopping, all that good stuff. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.